Hey guys, if you're here, and for today's video, pag-usapan natin ang hydrometeorological hazards, which will be more on water to land type of topic. So, magsimula na tayo. So for the first topic is tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclone is a rotating organized system of clouds and thunderstorms that originate over the tropical water. Tropical cyclones rotate in a counterclockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. So to make things short, tropical cyclone is a circular air movement that mainly occurs in the warm parts of the earth near the equator. So tropical cyclones can be classified into 5 classifications, which are listed from least to greatest. First is tropical depression, which has maximum sustained winds up to 61 kilometers per hour. Next is tropical storm, which has maximum wind speed of 62 to 88 kilometers per hour. And for the third one is severe tropical cyclones, which has maximum wind speed of 89 to 117 kilometers per hour. And for the fourth one, typhoon has a maximum wind speed of 118 to 220 kilometers per hour. And lastly, severe typhoon, which has a maximum wind speed exceeding 220 kilometers per hour. And next is the thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is simply a localized storm accompanied by lightning and thunder. It may also have gusty winds and often brings heavy rain. Flood is simply known as the overflowing of body of water onto a land that is normally dry. And here are examples. Flash floods are also caused by heavy precipitation in a short period of time, characterized by a rapid current which usually lasts for 6 hours. So basically, flash floods are floods which are more rapid than the normal floods and also caused by heavy rainfall. Next is the storm surge. Storm surge is the rising of sea level caused by low pressure or tropical cyclones. It is mainly a flood caused by the cyclone pushing water to the land. So basically, storm surge is a body of water that is pushed to a land that is normally dry, caused by a low pressure area.